Do you speak English? Do you speak English?
Why are you taking videos?
Şimdi sen nane yemedin mi?
What's your opinion in Azerbaijan?
We love Azerbaijan.
Azerbaijan, yes.
Beautiful.
Very good country.
Yes.
You can ask me.
Where are you from?
India.
India.
Burada Hindistanlı dayının nə dediyi ilə bağlı ən kiçik fikrim belə yox idi. Sadəcə ayıb olmaması üçün hə deyərək başa düşmüş kimi edirdim. Sonradan baxdıqdan sonra başa düşdüyüm qədərilə isə dayı demək istəyir ki, bizdə YouTube bağlanıb və bir çox yerdə fəaliyyət göstərmir Hindistanda.
Just banned the YouTubers there.
Aa.
Some
Because
of
they
them.
were cursing the country and they were talking nonsense.
Yine seriallarına baxırıq Hindistan. Yine de.
She said we watch Indian movie.
Yeah.
Indian serials.
Sherlock Khan. Raj Kapoor.
Raj Kapoor, Shah Rukh Khan. Yes.
Uşaqlıqdan istəyirdim onları.
She said when I was little
Actually,
child.
Raj Kapoor made Indian films famous in Russia. Hamısını çox istəyirəm. Tostingdəki şey, Raj Kapoor. Now Raj Kapoor's grandson is in movies.
Sorry, I reacted.
Grandson
initially.
is
Thank
in
you.
Because we had a big controversy in our country on YouTube.
Not
you know?
on.
Yes.
Because they were cursing the country and talking nonsense.
My son is a great fan
He's
of
a
YouTube
YouTuber.
channel.
Oh, so your son is a YouTuber. How much your
He's
subscribe?
Rehan and that's my daughter Natasha.
I don't have a YouTube channel, but I like to watch YouTube a lot.
Ah, you watch. My name is YouTube Ershad Enullayev. LSHAD. Difficult.
But we'll follow you. We'll try. And you're cute, you have lovely dimples.
Thank you, thank you.
No, you guys
Thank
are
you.
very handsome.
The women here are beautiful.
And so are the guys.
Men are so gorgeous.
So who's running after whom?
Please repeat again.
You have beautiful dimples.
Thank you.
You're a handsome boy. And I must say that the girls, the women are absolutely gorgeous here.
Thank you.
You
Thank
men are lucky.
Thank you.
You are very beautiful and you are very so handsome.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bəli, Hindistandan da belə gözəl
Mazeret
diyaloqumuz və macəramız oldu.